Sir, the argument and the sir, please. Sir, the argument and the rationale that have been dished out by Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister in regard to the revocation of question hour, I think is far from convincing. Sir, question hour is recognized as the essence of the parliamentary democracy. Not only that, question hour could be interpreted as the soul of the House. Sir, not now. The first Legislative Council set up under the Charter Act of 1853 was primarily meant for making laws and regulation. The Charter Act did not define the powers of the Legislative Council, but the Council showed some degree of independence by asking questions as to and discussing the propriety of the measures of the executive government. Sir, question hour means executive answerable होते हैं, executive accountable होते हैं legislation में। और बात क्या है सर? आम लोगों की जो समस्या है, आम लोगों के सामने पेश करने के ये सबसे बड़ा हमारा मौका है। तो इट्स ए गोल्डन आवर। क्वेश्चन आवर इज सिंपली ए गोल्डन आवर ऑफ पास, बट ऑन द एक्सक्यूज ऑफ एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी सिचुएशन आप कहते हैं कि ये क्वेश्चन आवर नहीं होगा। सर जब सर बोलने दीजिए सर प्लीज। सर ये जो बात यह कहे जा रहे हैं सर, ये बात बिल्कुल अजीब सा लग रहा है, क्योंकि सब सदन हम चलाते हैं, सदन चलाने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन आपका सिर्फ एक ही जगह दिक्कत होते हैं, वो क्वेश्चन आवर में। क्यों क्वेश्चन आवर को सिंगल आउट किया जाते हैं सर? ये हमारा सवाल है, क्योंकि ये ब्रिटिश जमाने से क्वेश्चन आवर की ये क्वेश्चन आवर चलते हैं सदन के अंदर, और आप आजादी की 73 साल बाद आप क्वेश्चन आवर को हटाकर लोकतंत्र की गला घुटने का काम कर रहे हैं हमारे ये सरकार के खिलाफ। यही सबसे बड़ा सर लास्ट सर बोलने दीजिए सर। ये
आपका प्रस्ताव ओबीसी जी।
सर एक चीज
आपकी भावनाएं,
बस एक छोटा सी सर छोटा सर बोलने दीजिए
जी।
सर ये
आपका प्रस्ताव ओबीसी जी।
सर एक चीज
आपकी भावनाएं,
बस एक छोटा सी सर छोटा
Sir, the question hour and private business are cornerstone of our democracy.
Sir, please, sir.
And it is very much essential for the existence of parliamentary democracy. Question hour and private members bill are also part of theory of separation of powers. The Honorable Minister has the dishonorable distinction by moving such a motion, he is weakening the theory of separation of powers, which is part of a basic structure of a constitution. I urge you, Speaker, not to allow the executive to encroach on the territory of the legislature. It is a shameful day if question hour and private business is not taken up. No. Sir, lastly, sir, I request you that on behalf of my party, I'm asking for division, sir. There should be a division on this, sir.
Speaker, sir, we are very cognizant of the fact, that the extraordinary circumstances in which this Parliament session has been convened. We are also deeply appreciate the arrangements which have been made in order to make this session possible. But however, Mr. Speaker, sir, while recognizing that under Rule 32 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Lok Sabha, you have the authority to suspend the question hour, I would like to draw your attention to page 473 of Kaul and Chakdar and read just one paragraph which is extremely important, Mr. Speaker, sir. This is practice and procedure of Parliament. Speaker, sir,
प्रश्न आगे का उससे
Speaker,
आगे
sir,
का प्रश्न संख्या नियम और भी पढ़ दो।
No, Speaker, sir, Speaker, sir, I'm just pointing out, with great respect, I'm pointing out that Kaul and Chakdar says, page 473, in very exceptional cases, question hour may be dispensed with for making available more time to other business or to take up some urgent business only if the House unanimously agrees. Speaker, sir, the qualification is that the House must unanimously agree, because this is the only time when the opposition can hold the government accountable.
Sir, we appreciate that in the present prevailing situation, Parliament has been commenced and it will continue for 18 days. But sir, we should remember at the same time, the question hours is also integral part of the basic structure of the parliamentary procedure, and we can't destroy that part. Sir, today, if the government is having their pressure for passing the bill, we are also having our views to express, and naturally, this is the only
किसी
time,
पर
sir,
किसी
this
का
is the
दबाव
only-
नहीं है,
this is
सदन
the-
चलना चाहिए,
this is-
सब एक मत
No,
है।
no, this is the only time. This is the only time we get the answers from the honorable minister, sir. Therefore, kindly do not take away this advantage of us. Really, it will take, sir. Really, it will take the entire glamour, 50% glamour of the running of the parliament. People also want to hear the answers from the ministers. This is the glamour. They wait for that. They want to see. That is being taken away.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.